Well, tracking some breaking news coming in from Uttarakhand at this hour. There seems to be high drama in Haridwar's Har Ki Pauri. Important information that we're tracking from there, as the Ganga Sabha has barred non-Hindus from entering the Har Ki Pauri. Now, apart from this, we're also learning information that there have been signboards that have been put up barring non-Hindus entering from Har Ki Pauri. There seems to be a ban of non-Hindus at Haridwar's Har Ki Pauri is what we're getting at this hour. Meanwhile, a political face-off has ensued owing to this, as the Samajwadi Party chief has slammed the BJP over the ban of non-Hindus. Well, Akhilesh Yadav has gone on to say that BJP putting these posters and that this is BJP's conspiracy. Meanwhile, another party to have waded into the controversy is AIMIM. Well, the AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has condemned the ban of non-Hindus at Har Ki Pauri, saying that this is untouchability and that this stands against the constitution. Well, let me recap you from what we've learned so far. Now, there seems to be boards barring non-Hindus at Har Ki Pauri that have come up in Uttarakhand. Now, this is in Haridwar that these boards have been put up. Like the signs read, and I quote, that no Hindu, no entrance zone were put up at Har Ki Pauri in Haridwar, amidst demands to declare the Haridwar Kumbh Mela area a Hindu zone and to restrict entry to all religious sites and Ganga Ghats within the area. Let's also listen into the reactions coming in.
ये जो है संविधान के खिलाफ है, ये अनटचेबिलिटी है, ये संविधान के खिलाफ है, ये राइट टू इक्वालिटी के खिलाफ है। आप इस तरह अगर कानून मानते रहेंगे तो फिर क्या क्या हो जाएगा फिर? और गैर जरूरी कि आप अरे भाई नौकरी क्यों नहीं देते? नौजवान बच्चों को नौकरी दो ना।
ये सब बीजेपी वालों ने लगवाए होंगे, ये बीजेपी वाले ही लगवाते हैं, बीजेपी वाले ही करते हैं, बीजेपी वाले ही शोर मचाते हैं, बीजेपी वाले ही पकड़ने की बात करेंगे। जितने भी होर्डिंग लगे होंगे सब बीजेपी वालों ने लगाए। उनसे कहो हर की पौड़ी से ऐसा पानी रोक लो, तुम रख लो सब अपना पानी, यूपी में मत पानी आने देना। ये इसलिए साजिश कर रहे हैं कि यूपी में पानी ना आए, गंगा जल रोक लो आप लोग, हर की पौड़ी में रख लो पानी अपना सब। ये जानबूझ के कर रहे हैं।
Well, on this, you have my colleague Tiyushi joining us on the broadcast. Now, Tiyushi, this is a bizarre, piece of development coming from Haridwar. As long as somebody is not disrespecting somebody's sanctum sanctorum, there shouldn't be any barring of their entry in certain temples. But has there been any official reaction that's come in from the temple authorities?
Well, absolutely. In fact, remember that Haridwar Municipal Commissioner Nandan Kumar has in fact stated that in 1916, bylaws prohibit the entry of non-Hindus into the Har Ki Pauri area. But now, in fact, this new poster that has come to light, remember that it has now in fact come into the Haridwar Kumbh area, where a Hindu zone and the restrict entry to non-Hindus at all religious places and Ganga Ghats within it, because the signs read that the signboards read that non-Hindu prohibited area, and they were put on Har Ki Pauri and they were put on Friday as well. Remember that the Ganga Sabha, the organization that manages and maintains the Har Ki Pauri and the surrounding ghats, have put up these signs on all the entry points to the area, including the bridge railings and the pillars as well. Now, massive political controversy has erupted. We have seen that how Asaduddin Owaisi is also in fact hitting out and saying that this is untouchability, it is against constitution. And there goes Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav as well, who in fact goes on to say that this is the work of the BJP. BJP first gets the poster up and then creates the ruckus. Needs to be seen, that how BJP responds to it, because BJP in somehow the other way will be in fact, defending itself and stating that this is not something new that has come to light earlier. In fact, remember that under Haridwar Municipal Act of 1916, already the restrictions were put for non-Hindus at the ghat of Har Ki Pauri. Needs to be seen that how this matter escalates.